In this video, we're going to look at how you can run your WooCommerce site in catalog mode, so users can browse your products but not make any online purchases. By default, WooCommerce doesn't feature a catalog mode, so you'll need an additional plugin. The WooCommerce Members-Only plugin will allow you to enable catalog mode by disabling all e-commerce functionality, like the Add to Cart buttons. Let's have a look at how easy this is to set up. With Members Only installed and activated, you can enable catalog mode by going to Members Only, Settings. Set restriction method to user role. Enable the Access Product Pages option. Enable the Automatically Exclude Pages option. Save your settings. Now we just have to create a rule to say what content can be displayed to users. Go to Members Only, Plans, and click Add New. Activate the plan, then choose Specific Content in the Restricted Content field. In Content Type, choose Pages and Post Types. Choose Cart, Checkout, and My Account in Restricted Pages. Choose Products in Restricted Post Types. Hit Publish, and you can see that all your products are now displayed without an Add to Cart button. All the WooCommerce pages that deal with online purchasing, like the cart and checkout pages, are no longer accessible. That's a simple way to enable catalog mode. Let's have a look at some further options. If you'd like to hide product prices, you can just go back to the Settings page and enable the Hide Price option. Now your catalog will not display any product prices. If you would like to encourage customers to get in touch about any products they are interested in, you can create a button for each product. In the Settings page, enter some alternative wording to replace the Add to Cart button. Then enable the Redirect from Add to Cart button option. This will redirect the user to a landing page if they click the alternative Add to Cart button. If you'd only like to enable catalog mode for certain users, update the plan and choose specific user roles in the Permitted User Roles section. Users with this role will see the full site. Any other user will only see the catalog. You could enable catalog mode for guest users only if you prefer. Go to the Settings page and change the Restriction Method option to Login Status. Now, guest users will see the catalog. Users who are logged in will see the full e-commerce site. Alternatively, you could limit access to the full site through a password. Just update Restriction Method to Password. Users with the correct password will access the full site. Users without the password will view the catalog. If you would like to enable catalog mode for specific product categories instead of all products, just edit the plan you created. Remove Post Types from Content Type and replace it with Product Categories. Choose which product categories you want to enable catalog mode for in the Restricted Product Categories setting. So that's how to enable catalog mode in WooCommerce using the Members Only plugin. For more information, check out the Resources section on the Plugin Republic website, where you'll find dozens of tutorials and case studies. We have a 14-day money-back guarantee and a world-class support team to help with any questions. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons.